Does Islam promote violence?
Islam doesn't promote violence or peace. Islam is just a religion, and like every religion in the world, it depends on what you bring to it. If you're a violent person, your Islam, your Judaism, your Christianity, your Hinduism is going to be violent. There are marauding Buddhist monks in Myanmar slaughtering women and children. Does Buddhism promote violence? Of course not. People are violent or peaceful, and that depends on their politics, their social world.
In Saudi Arabia, when women can't vote and they can't drive and they need permission from their husband, that's not extremists.
I mean, again, this is the problem, is that you're talking about a religion of 1.5 billion people, and certainly it becomes very easy to just simply paint them all with a single brush by saying, well, in Saudi Arabia, they can't drive, and so therefore, that's somehow representative of Islam. It's representative of Saudi Arabia.
Be honest, though, for the most part, it is not a free and open society for women.
It certainly is in Indonesia and Malaysia. It certainly is in Bangladesh. It certainly is in Turkey. Do you know that Muslims have elected 7 women as their heads of states in those Muslim majority countries? How many women
But it is
do we
not,
have
but
as head
for the
of
most
state?
part, Reza,
Hold on a second, Reza, because he says it's a Muslim country problem. He says that in Somalia.
Yeah, but that's actually empirically, factually incorrect. It's a Central African problem. Eritrea has almost 90% female genital mutilation. It's a Christian country. Ethiopia has 75% female genital mutilation. It's a Christian country.